With this tool, you can turn your data, like your data in Google Sheets, into an interactive app, and you can even add AI to talk with your data. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do this too. So the software I'm going to use is Software.io. I've been using it for a while now, and it's really great to see how you can turn your data into interactive apps for your business. So you can basically build custom business software without using code, like client portals or sales CRMs. You can basically do everything. What I'm going to show you in this video is how you can turn your database like a Google Sheet into an app, and also how you can implement AI to basically talk with your data. So the first thing we need is a database. I already made a database with company names, contact person, revenue per prospect, and a stage in the pipeline. So basically this is CRM data you maybe have in your Google Sheets, for example, and you want to make it better and more structured. So what we can do now is we can basically build an app. You can do a few things. You can start from scratch. You can also generate it with AI, but you can also use templates. They have a lot of different templates, from portals to CRMs to marketplaces, communities. What I need is a sales related tool. For example, let's say, I think this is a prospecting tool, CRM, I can use. This I'm going to add the template to the database or to the program. What you will see, it will for now add dummy data to the app. If we preview it, we can even see how it's doing right now. So you got a dashboard, you got your contacts. Oh, it's not working, I need to edit. But you got your dashboards and your deals where you want to make sure that you can basically do everything you need. Like other tools, you need to make sure that you can add different pages. You need to add the data to make it working. This is the first step we have done. So basically you already have this. But what I want to change the source because I have a different database with my own data. So what I do, I click into the data, I go to source, I say, all right, let's do a software database. You can also use Google Sheets. This is the database I have right now. What you will see, the data will be changed. At the content part, you can add certain data, but I don't, for example, have deal stage because it's another description at my site. I don't have service type, account manager, and close date. And here you see the different columns you have in your database or in your Google Sheets you can add to your app. Basically, I can add the stage at this part and see, all right, this is the data I use right now. You can search, you can basically do everything easily without you knowing or doing with Google Sheets. So what I also can do now, I can add AI to basically make sure to chat with the data. What I'm going to do, I'm here on deals, I go to actions, I say, all right, I want a top bar button, and the function is Ask AI. So you can basically let your users ask questions about the data you have in this block. You can also do this based on logins. So for example, some people may only talk to finance data, for example, and other people may only communicate with CRM data. So I've added right now to the top bar. So what we're going to do, we're going to preview. We're going to click on Ask AI. You will get this pop-up, and I basically can say, all right, give me the lead with the highest revenue. What it will do, it will go into the data and say, all right, Clearview Systems, contactpersoon Jan de Vries has the highest revenue potential. it picks this one because this is in the prospecting phase, and this yonder freeze is in the negotiation phase. That is why that lead is better. But I also can ask, give me all the closed deals. So let's see what's going to do. All right, I need to do it differently. Please give me closed won deals. And here you see, here are the closed won deals. It's just one, it's EcoWave. So if you have a lot of data, you can basically talk to your data and make sure you don't have to go all in on your data to get certain numbers. You can do this with CRMs, you can do this with your client portals, with finance dashboards, with marketing dashboards. Basically a lot of different data. You can basically add an AI to it and talk to it. So try it out. It's called Softer. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you for watching.